welcome. My name is Jennifer Razon, and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today I am going to take us to a little shop I just found out a few days ago over at the Americana here in Glendale. And if you're familiar with Demogorgons, Starcourt Mall, Hawkins High School, Scoops Ahoy, and of course the Upside Down, then this vlog is for you. We're gonna head over to the Strangerthings shop, and I think it's gonna be awesome. So let's head on over. So cool. I'm so amazed with all the attention to detail to the show they have on here, so it's pretty awesome. He wants to answer that. We're in the Upside Down. goodies. This nice little bag it came with. So yeah, gonna grab me a little food really quick and I'll head back to the house and then wrap this little trip up. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Alrighty friends, there you have it, our little mini field trip to Hawkins, Indiana via the Stranger Things shop at the Americana. Now if you're a fan of the show, I won't spoil anything here. You'd have to watch the first 3 series that are already out, but their attention to detail in each room in that shop is pretty awesome, I would have to say, and I certainly wasn't disappointed. There's definitely a lot of merch in there that you can choose from. I didn't leave empty-handed. I actually went and got a few little goodies for myself from here, and yeah, I love the design of this. You know, the characters of the teenagers and Will in the upside down. Get it? Upside. Okay. Anyways, I got myself a couple of Pez dispensers of Eleven and Will. I've always liked the different characters that Pez had. Never been much for the candy, but I love the little figurines that they had. And an itty bitty 11. She got the nosebleed and everything. Spoiler alert. Now, I'm not sponsored in any way, and I just went there as a true fan. And if you want to visit for yourself, I will put the link in the description below so that you can reserve your time to enter. I would suggest sometime during the day before the crowds, and that's what I did. Had enough room to walk around and do my photo ops just like these. And with that, thank you so much for joining me on our little mini field trip to Hawkins, Indiana. I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments below. Until then, I'll see you guys next time. Take care.